Eating eggs every morning for breakfast can have a number of positive effects on your body, including increased protein intake. Eggs are a great source of protein, which is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. Eating eggs every morning can help you meet your daily protein needs and support your muscle growth and repair. Improve cholesterol levels. Despite their high cholesterol content, eggs do not appear to have a significant impact on overall cholesterol levels in most people. In fact, some studies have shown that eating eggs can actually improve LDL bad cholesterol levels and increase HDL good cholesterol levels. Lowered risk of heart disease. Eggs are a good source of choline, a nutrient that is important for heart health. Choline helps to regulate cholesterol levels and protect against heart disease. Increased energy levels. Eggs are a good source of protein and health effects, which can help to keep you feeling full and energized throughout the morning. Improve cognitive function. Eggs are a good source of choline, which is important for cognitive function. Choline helps to maintain brain health and protect against cognitive decline. However, it is important to note that eating too many eggs can have some negative side effects such as increased risk of kidney stones. Eggs are a high protein food, and eating too much protein can increase the risk of developing kidney stones. Increased risk of allergic reactions. Some people are allergic to eggs, and eating them may trigger an allergic reaction. Increased risk of biotin deficiency. Eggs contain a protein called iodine, which can bind to biotin and make it difficult for your body to absorb. If you eat a lot of eggs, you may be at risk of developing a biotin deficiency. Overall, eating eggs every morning can be a healthy part of your diet. However, it is important to be aware of the potential risk and to moderate your intake. If you have any concerns about eating eggs, talk to your doctor. Here are some additional tips for eating eggs safely. Cook eggs thoroughly. Raw or undercooked eggs can contain harmful bacteria, so it is important to cook them thoroughly. Avoid eating too many eggs. As mentioned above, eating too many eggs can increase your risk of kidney stones and other health problems. Talk to your doctor. If you have concerns about eating eggs, talk to your doctor. They can help you determine if eggs are safe for you to eat